We can get high, oh nah nah nah. We can get low, oh nah nah nah. Let me be a friend, baby, let me in. Tell you no lies.
Hello you guys, today is actually Friday, January 12th, and as you guys may or may not know from one of my last vlogs, I am going on a vacation, another vacation that I'm really excited about. So I've been kind of overwhelmed with the cleaning of this house, taking care of my kids, taking care of my husband, making food, what every mom does. I'm sure you guys know what it's like, but I'm also really excited. And I know I only have, 2 days for me to pack, but I just got around to it now because of all the things that I was doing throughout the week, throughout the weeks, throughout this month. But I'm super excited to go over there. So I'm just going to show you guys what I have now and how I'm going to pack my bags. This is what I have done so far. I just folded my kids' clothes, what I'm going to take for them, the towels, the clothes, and this is the suitcase, the luggage, I don't know how you guys call it, that I'm going to take my kids' clothes in. This is what I have done so far. As you guys can see, I have all my daughter's pants on one side and my son's pants and shorts folded on the other side. And I folded them like this so I can easily see which one I want them to wear. Also did the same on my daughter's side with the shorts and skirts. I just folded and packed the tops regularly because that has worked for me in my trips. So whatever works for you is fine. So I packed my daughter's, this top that I just bought her is really cute. And my son's Spider-Man pajama, which he loves Spider-Man, so I had to take it. On the middle part that was left, I just packed all their shoes, and I just packed him one sweater and my daughter one sweater also in case they need it. This is what I have so far. It's all their underwear, socks, my girls' bathing suit, their little hats, some belts that I just had in there in case they need them. And over here, I put their little sun hats, then their little swim coats, and then on top of that, their towels. So I'm done with their luggage. As you guys can see, everything is ready. And now I'm going to move on to mine and my husband's. I also forgot to tell you guys that I put some bows and hair ties in here for my daughter, and then I'm going to put this brush in here and a comb and also soap, a bar of soap, and just some baby wipes. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys liked packing tips, if any. Everyone packs different. Nothing fancy or anything, but I hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe down below to get to come on the trip with me, kind of. And I will see you guys next. Bye-bye.
I do the time for you, tell a lie for you, yeah, baby, that's what I do. I walk the line for you, take a